Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is August 21st, 2024, and we've got a fascinating lineup of stories for you. From legal battles involving Elon Musk to the latest updates in privacy-focused technology, we've got it all covered. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Elon Musk is no stranger to the courtroom, and as of August 23, he's entangled in at least 23 active lawsuits, primarily in federal courts. These legal actions involve his companies, Tesla, X, formerly Twitter, and SpaceX, and target a wide array of entities, from competitors to watchdog groups, and even personal acquaintances like pop star Grimes. Legal experts suggest that Musk's litigation strategy often seems retaliatory, aimed more at punishing critics than seeking justice. For example, Musk's companies have taken legal action against California over a law requiring social media platforms to disclose their content moderation policies, arguing it infringes on free speech. Musk's aggressive legal tactics have not gone unnoticed, drawing criticism from various quarters. Some judges have remarked that his lawsuits appear more focused on silencing dissent than addressing legitimate grievances. Notably, X has filed multiple lawsuits against organizations critical of its content moderation practices. One such case against the Center for Countering Digital Hate was dismissed, with the judge highlighting the retaliatory nature of the suit. Musk has also been accused of forum shopping, strategically choosing jurisdictions that might favor his cases, particularly in Texas. Beyond corporate lawsuits, Musk is personally involved in legal battles, including a recent suit against OpenAI, a company he co-founded. He alleges that OpenAI has deviated from its original mission. Musk's legal maneuvers showcase his willingness to leverage his wealth and influence in litigation, often placing significant financial strain on smaller organizations he targets. Legal experts express concern that Musk's approach could deter criticism and stifle free speech, as many of the groups he sues may lack the resources to continue fighting in court. Switching gears to the world of technology, Tella has rolled out version 2.10.0 of its Android app, introducing a new privacy-preserving analytics system. This feature allows users to opt in to share anonymous usage data, utilizing DivvyUp, a telemetry service developed by the Internet Security Research Group, known for its strong commitment to privacy. The system ensures that all data collected is anonymous and aggregated, with data split into two encrypted shares processed separately, preventing the reconstruction of individual data points. Tella emphasizes its minimal data collection approach, with all metrics transparently listed for users. In addition to the new analytics feature, Tella 2.10.0 includes support for the Uwazi relationships property type and adds Vietnamese language support, thanks to contributions from volunteers. The update also addresses various bugs and includes user interface improvements, such as fixes for the Contact Us button and issues related to audio recording and geolocation. Tella encourages user feedback and participation in the community, underscoring its commitment to user privacy and continuous improvement. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of technology, artificial intelligence, and automotive news. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.